Hello and welcome. This is Raichu9 doing my first video. Today I am going to tell you about the rainforest and why it is being destroyed. First, we have the tribe of the Yamatons who live on stilts houses high up so the floods can't get to them. As we go, I shall tell you a fact. The Amazon River gives the world 1/3 of its clean water. As we come here, we have the Yamas who live in leaf dens. When we're here, the Amazon rainforest takes up 40% of South America. It's located in northern South America. As we get here, as you see, there is a clearing. People are destroying the rainforest by logging, as we have over here, by burning it, for soybeans, for making mines, and for cattle ranches. As we come here, we have a crane lifting it to put it into a pile. Here we have a dumper truck with a load of rubble to tip into the mine, which is an iron mine. Here we have the cattle whose babies have now grown up. And soon a farm will come and some of the cattle will be slaughtered. That's Raichu9 over and out. See you later!